I make this cream of broccoli soup all the time when I need something healthy but also really easy. Start by chopping an onion, a few cloves of garlic, and a whole bunch of broccoli. Just give them a rough chop. They don't have to be perfect because here's the thing. This is all getting pureed. Try to get the broccoli pieces at least close to the same size if you can so that they can cook evenly, but it honestly doesn't even matter. Saute the onions and garlic in some olive oil with a little pinch of salt to help them sweat out, but don't let them brown. If you do, it's not a big deal, but try not to. Add the broccoli when the onions are translucent and then sprinkle some flour over the top. This is technically what makes it cream of broccoli soup, the fact that I'm adding flour. Now you can substitute a gluten-free version if that's your jam, or what I sometimes do is skip the flour altogether and add a peeled potato, like a Yukon Gold. It adds body and helps to make it nice and creamy when you blend it. Next, cover with water. Yes, water. If you want your soup to taste like chicken, add chicken stock. If you want it to taste like random vegetables, add veg stock. Water gives it the cleanest flavor, which is what I want. When the broccoli is super tender, like you want it to be mushy, puree it until it's nice and smooth. An immersion blender is the best because you can do it right in the pot, but if you use a regular blender, just make sure you can let the steam escape, so not like a bullet blender, or it will literally explode. Now taste it and adjust. It's definitely gonna need more salt and pepper, maybe a little more water to thin it out, and then I like to give it a splash of cream because I'm extra, but it honestly doesn't even need it. I always add some sharp cheddar on top and more pepper, and that's it. It's so good. Go make it.